Alright everybody, we're going to North Nashville today to volunteer at a church. I think I'm just gonna volunteer, maybe take a little bit of B-roll just to kind of show you guys the area and what we're doing. Maybe just take a few pictures and kind of keep it short today. So we came to volunteer at the First Community Church up in North Nashville. They will be doing this for several weeks, so please come and help them volunteer. What they're doing is they're going out into the community, giving people these supplies. Lots of food, lots of hygienic things, lots of soap, shampoos, all kinds of different things. And people are coming to the church to grab some of this stuff. People are being sent out into the community to deliver this stuff. And it's just a really great thing because there's a lot of people who don't have a place to go, whose house is damaged, and they need these things. You know, maybe their car is even damaged or destroyed, so they can't go places very easily. So having all these things accessible to a community and the outreach for the church is just really awesome. Okay, so that was pretty cool. We just helped out for a little bit today. When we got here, they were kind of closing up shop, but it was kind of cool to see what they were doing and what they were about. Yeah, it was pretty cool. So I think now I'm just going to go around Germantown and just kind of film around the streets and see what that's like now. Haven't been around here, but I've seen a lot of pictures, so I'm really interested to see it for myself. I think I said Germantown, I meant North Nashville. This is kind of the area right now, right near the church. And as you can see down the street, there's still a lot of cops and a lot of stuff with power lines being done, and it's been 8 days since the tornado hit, and yeah, still a lot of work being done, still a lot of work to get done. Man, there's a lot of cops around here. A little bit more of North Nashville here. A lot of tarps on roofs. A lot of just branches and debris everywhere. This is some craziness right here. Like, wow. The clock on the wall, that amazes me. Cars wrecked. Inside the house. Yeah, it's just insane. It's completely crazy. And these two houses over here, like, what the heck? What the heck even happened? Is this real? Is this from the tornado? Like, what the heck? I don't know. I don't understand that. But it is what it is. It looks like they almost ran into this other house. So yeah, I heard from people in Eastgate yesterday too that the tornado not only destroyed things but caught a lot of stuff on fire. So like this house, a lot of the warehouses, they all caught on fire as well. So it's kind of double scary. Not only is a tornado coming to rip your house down, but also they're going to catch it on fire. Nice. Man, some of this damage, like to cars like this, it's just crazy. Hello. This thing is just, it just got pummeled.
This pontoon was in the side of my sister's house. It was turned upside down. And that little car was right behind it.
Wow. 8 days after the tornado. I guess 9 days maybe. Yep, power lines. This car just, I don't even understand what happened there. Yeah, it's just craziness. Crazy, crazy, craziness. Gosh. Look at that house, man. That's just unfair. It's just destruction. Man, look at that house. Not even a house anymore. And the car. And this is the area behind those two houses. Man, destruction. Completely destroyed. Like, wow. This is all crazy. This is all crazy. That's all crazy. Those houses over there are crazy. And we're a little crazy. Yeah, stop chewing on that pen. Man, so yeah, North Nashville, that's a lot of damage. That was really crazy to see some of those houses. Yeah, so I drove over here to Germantown too because it's right next door. It's right next to North Nashville. You can see where the tornado came through. We're just going to keep exploring and looking at all the damage and seeing how crazy it is and documenting it. So, yeah. so we're gonna head out from Germantown. I hope you enjoyed some of those pictures. There's some really interesting stuff around here, you know. A lot of the buildings are completely destroyed. This staircase thing is super crazy looking. That whole thing's destroyed. So yeah, we're not gonna go around Germantown too much. We're gonna go eat. It's getting kind of dark out, but the sunset, man, the sunset was just amazing tonight, and the clouds and everything, it was phenomenal. It was really pretty. So yeah, you can see a lot of these houses got completely trashed, fences down and everything. So yeah, there's the sunset way over there. It was really pretty. So signing off for the night. I hope you guys got a good perspective of what it's like here in North Nashville and Germantown. A little bit. I might, like I said, try to volunteer around in Germantown a little bit. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow and whatever we're doing next. So I'll see you guys. Peace. Love your family. Volunteer if you're around, and love you guys. See you later.